everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Bite Your Primary Drumming. I am Mr. Richards, and this week we're going to be looking at a brand new drum beat. So the beat this week is going to look at the combination of quarter notes and eighth notes to play the whole thing. Our hi-hat is going to play quarter notes, snare drum is going to be using 2 of those quarter notes, and our bass drum has a bit of a slight variation this week. Not just going to be on 1 and 3 anymore, there's an extra beat in there that we're going to put in. Okay? So, let's dive straight into it. Right here then, on the hi-hat, we're going to be playing 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice and simple. Straight quarter notes through the whole thing. Snare drum is going to be playing 2 and 4. The bass drum is going to be playing on the 1, 3, and we're also going to pick an and put that in there as well. So that's where we're going to take our 8th notes and fit them into this beat. So the hi-hat, 1, 2, 3, 4. Snare drum is on 2, 4. Bass drum is on 1, 3, and. Okay? It's nice and simple, but it can be a bit tricky to try and play. So we're going to take it nice and slow, and we're going to look at the bass drum and hi-hat together first. So ignore the snare drum for now, we don't need to play that just yet. We're going to get your hi-hat and your bass drum working together, and then we're going to have a look at bringing the snare drum in and try the whole beat all together. Let's have a go. Right, here we are behind the drums now. Let's have a look at how this beat's going to get put together. So like I said in the intro, we're just using hi-hat and bass drum for now. We're going to ignore the snare drum, so keep that one out of the way. Hi-hat, 1, 2, 3, 4. Bass drum is on 1, 3, and. I'll play it slowly for you first, have a quick look at how I play it, and then see where I'm missing out the hi-hat when I play and then we'll try one together. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you can see there, when I played and on the bass drum, I didn't play the hi-hat. Have one more look. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this time, try along with me. So we're going to be using hi-hat, bass drum. Remember, when we get to that and, the bass drum plays on its own without any hi-hat. See if you can play that along with me now. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah? Let's see if we can try that one more time, nice and slowly. Remember, that and by itself. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah, starting to get the feel for that now? Practice that as much as you want. We'll play one more together, and then we're going to try along with a metronome, playing along properly. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good, good. Now let's have a try with the whole thing now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we are, we're starting to get the hang of that now. Good, good. It can be quite hard to try and play those together, especially with that and on the bass drum playing by itself, but with plenty of practice you'll get there. Now let's try bringing the snare drum back into our pattern now. We've done hi-hat and bass by itself, we're going to bring the snare drum back in. I'll show you a couple of slow examples first by myself, just with showing you how the snare drum is going to be played. We'll try one together, and then we'll move on to a bit of practice. So here's a nice slow one to show you how it's going to fit in there. 1, 3, and 4. Okay, so it fits on the 2 and 4s nice and easily. I'll show you one more. 1, 3, and 4. Nice and straightforward. Let's try a nice slow one together. Okay, along with me this time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, and 4. Getting the hang of that? Good. Let's have a practice with the whole thing along with the metronome now. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we are then. We've had a good full practice of the full beat nice and slowly. Now let's see if we can try the whole thing a little bit faster and a little bit longer. 1, 2, 3, 4. well done, really good work, really good. So, you know what I'm going to say now? Let's try it even faster again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there we have it, everybody. Big well done today. This is a bit of a tricky beat, especially trying to get that bass drum playing independently without any other beats behind it. So a massive well done for trying so hard and succeeding with that. Big well done, yes. And there we have another episode of Biting Primary Drumming, all complete for you. So by now you should have 3 drum beats all completed, with a couple of snare challenges that I've thrown in there as well for you. If you haven't checked out those videos, please go ahead and have a look, because they are very good work for getting around the kit. And with that, I've been Mr. Richards. Thank you very much again for watching, and I'll see you again next time. And remember, keep practicing, keep drumming.